To give CPR, this is what to do. The casualty should be lying on their back on a firm surface. There's no need to remove any clothing. Kneel beside them, level with their chest. Tilt their head back to keep their airway open. Lean over the casualty with your arms straight. Place the heel of one of your hands in the center of their chest in line with their nipples. Place the heel of your other hand on top of your first hand and interlock your fingers. Try to keep your hands away from their rib cage so you won't be pressing down on the casualty's ribs. Keeping your arms straight, press down vertically about 4 to 6 centimeters, which is about a third of the depth of the chest. Release the pressure without removing your hands from their chest. Allow their chest to come back up fully. This is one compression, before giving the next compression. Compress their chest 30 times at a rate of about twice per second. This is roughly the speed of the Bee Gees song Staying Alive. Give 2 rescue breaths.